Hey guys, my name is Alan LaRose and I'm here at MarineMax Cocoa, and I am standing right next to the amazing Scout 177 Sport, and this one is equipped with the Winya package. Take a couple minutes to look at this beautiful boat. One of a kind. We actually ordered it with full black hull color, and we also ordered it with the Midnight Edition, putting the black powder coat on the polling platform. So with the Winya package, you get the option right here to have a push-pull mounts along the side of the starboard side of the gunnels. Comes with the polling platform, and it also comes with a trolling motor pre-wire with actually a plug right here with the onboard charger on it as well. So it already has that installed into it. So very simple for us to add a trolling motor to the boat. Coming around here to the back of the boat, we have this one powered. Again, this is a custom order that we chose. We chose the Yamaha Show 90. It kind of gives that look of the black cowling, making the boat look really good. Right here in the boat, we actually have a mount already made for the power pole. We're going to probably put an 8-foot blade power pole, would be a great option on this. We can also put another one on this side if you want it as well. On this side over here, port side, the stern, we do have a little fold-down ladder there. And if we wanted to add, again, that second power pole on this side, we would just remove that and put another one of those brackets on there. So anyways, I'm going to hop on a board. You guys come around the side of the boat here. I'll show you some of the other features inside. So our helm of the 177 Winya Sport. We have tilt helm on this one. We've got our power knob. It is hydraulic steering on this. And we do have Lenco trim tabs on this boat as well. Get the boat up and running. And we have our battery switch there. Cushion and backrest are completely removable. And then also we can lift this up, and we've got lots of storage down in here. Igloo cooler, access to our bilge. We've got a place for some tackle trays, knives, and pliers. And there is storage on either side here. Close that. Cut up here more to the bow of the boat. We've got another little jump seat. We've got 6 rod holders right there. This opens up. We have our Livewell right down in there. That is recirculating too as well. Come on over around here, show you in the anchor locker. Anchor locker, we've got 5-gallon bucket there, throw your cast net in. We've got area to keep your anchor separate. They put some little bulkheads in there so everything kind of doesn't have to be all one big bunch. And that's it, guys. My name is Alan LaRose, MarineMax Cocoa. This is the Scout 177 Midnight Edition. Give us a call, 321-636-3142. Have a great day.